نحمده ونصلي على رسول الكريم. Hello, I'm Zubair Hendricks, and this is the Climate Action Orchestrator, an AI-powered multi-agent system designed to help organizations track, analyze, and reduce their carbon footprint. I built the solution using Azure AI Agent Service for the Microsoft AI Agents Hackathon 2025. So organizations today face increasing pressure to address climate change, but tracking carbon emissions is complex, data is scattered across all systems, and best practices evolve rapidly. So this is why I created the Climate Action Orchestrator. So let I just show you what I'm currently using. So I'm using Microsoft Azure, as you can see over here. So this solution is running, this is a web app which is running. So the solution leverages several Azure services to enable the multi-agent architecture. So it's Azure App Service hosts our web interface. Azure AI Agent Service powers our specialized AI agents. Azure Storage stores the emissions data. Azure Cosmos DB maintains relationships between AI agents. And then we have the Azure Open AI Service, which drives a recommendation. So there's a cloud-based approach, ensures scalability, security, and reliability for organizations of any size. Okay, now I'll show you our dashboard now. As you can see, this is our dashboard. Um, so this is just a comprehensive view of the carbon footprint and actual insights for the company. And as you can see there, so yeah, different scopes, direct, electricity, and indirect. So yeah, indirect, electricity, and indirect. And then we have top recommendations, switch to renewable energy, implement it remote, and so forth. Okay, install LED. So it gives you all of the recommendations, and you can upload a document as well. Then we have our AI agents, our multi-agent architecture, which essentially makes the solution unique in its multi-agent architecture powered by Azure AI Agent Service. So look at the agents page so we can see what we have. So we have the data collection agent, we have the carbon collection calculation agent, we have a recommendation agent, we have a simulation agent, and we have the reporting agent. We can view all our agents over here. As you can see, our agents are calculating in real time over here. That's the recommendations that they do. So we have the carbon calculation agent, recommendation agent, simulation agent. So if you want to know more about it, you can actually read on it. So the data collection agent gathers operational data from various sources, including uploaded files, API connections, and database integrations. Then we have carbon collection agent, which applies emissions factors to quantify carbon footprint based on operational data. Then we have a recommendation agent, which analyzes data to generate sustainability tailored to the organization. And we have the simulation, which projects outcomes of different sustainability initiatives through simulation models. And then we have the reporting agent, which generates standardized documentation and reports to stakeholders. Then we can actually upload different data sources. As you can see, we have CSV, Azure Blob Service or storage, and API connections. And that's all over there. Yeah. So on the recommendations, we have this recommendations page here, which actually recommends what the person should do or the company should do. Here we can have the details of it. So switch to renewable energy, it tells you the CO2 emissions and so forth. Financial impact would be $50,000, and they give you a detailed description of it. And then you can obviously implement that. So return on investment. Okay. Yeah, so that was that. And what was my experience in building solutions? So building solution presented several interesting challenges. Designing the agent architecture required carefully defining each agent's responsibilities and interactions to ensure effective collaboration. So implementing the GHG protocol calculations and recommendation engine required domain expertise in sustainability and emissions accounting. So throughout the process, AI Agent Service was instrumental providing the framework for creating specialized agents that could work together seamlessly. And yeah, so in conclusion, the Climate Action Orchestrator demonstrates how AI agents can address complex sustainability challenges for organizations of all sizes by leveraging Azure AI Agent Service,